Listen, I don't know about y'all, but with me, you can never go wrong with pasta, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken pot pie pasta skillet. Now, if you're a fan of those little bitty pot pies like I was when I was a kid, you're gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients today. Back here we have our boneless chicken breast. We have some penne pasta here. Now you can use pasta noodles if you want to, or any type of pasta, it's totally up to you. We have frozen vegetables here, milk. In these two dishes, we have chicken broth, we have some cream of chicken soup right here, onions, butter, freshly chopped garlic, paprika, dried parsley, dried thyme, and we have some olive oil here. That's all you need. Let's go ahead and get to it. So we're gonna get started by seasoning our chicken with some seasoned salt. Now you can use whatever you want, it's totally up to you. I'm gonna use seasoned salt and a little black pepper. And we're just gonna get that mixed in like this. That easy. Now let's move over to our cooktop. So next we're gonna heat up our cooktop. We're gonna add our olive oil here. We're gonna bring that up to temperature over a medium heat. Once that comes up to temperature, we're gonna add our chicken breast. And we're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes over medium heat, medium-high heat. I just switched sides of it because a lot of heat is here in the center. So if you have if your cooktop is like that, you may want to switch it around on different sides. That way it can kind of be even as you cook it. All right, so after about 5 minutes, we're gonna flip our chicken. We're gonna add our chicken broth. We're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's cooked all the way through and that internal temperature is 165 degrees. Make sure you reduce your heat down to medium. All right, so it looks like we are good. We're gonna turn our heat off. Our chicken is ready. All right, so now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna move over to our cutting board and we're gonna get these babies shredded up, all right? All right, so I have my little chicken shredder gadget here. I love this little thing, man. I like kitchen gadgets, period. So you just put your chicken here. We're gonna take our top down on it like that. And we're just going to start doing it like this. Yeah, once you get it going, it's good. And guys, shredded chicken. What do you think about that? Oh man, so we're gonna do the last one and then we're gonna come back. All right, so we have our shredded chicken. Look how that gadget shredded this chicken, man. I'm gonna leave a link to this product in the video description. That way you guys can check it out. You don't have to worry about getting your fork and shredding it. Just stick it in that machine or that gadget, that product, and shred your chicken. All right, let's continue. All right, we're gonna take a clean pan, turn on our cooktop, heat up 2 tablespoons of butter. And right now, go ahead and start cooking your pasta according to the box instructions. So as that butter melts, we're gonna add our onions. We're gonna cook them for 3 to 5 minutes until translucent. All right, so after about 3 or 4 minutes, we're gonna come behind that with our garlic. And we're gonna saute this for about another minute. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna add our mixed vegetables. And we're gonna cook these for another 5 to 7 minutes. All right, guys, as we're finishing up the last couple of minutes on our mixed vegetable mixture, let's head over to our cutting board, and we're gonna come back over to our cooktop. All right, in a small bowl, we're gonna add our cream of chicken soup, our milk, and our chicken broth. And we're gonna get this mixed up, get it well combined. All right, guys, just like that, that's all we need. So let's head back over to our cooktop because we still got about a minute or so left, all right? So after those 5 to 7 minutes, of warming up our vegetables, we're gonna take our cream of chicken soup mixture and we're gonna add it here to our pan. Now we're gonna add our shredded chicken and we're gonna get this mixed in. We're gonna season this with our paprika, our thyme, our parsley, a little salt, and a little pepper. We're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, so now after about that 5 minutes, the last thing we're gonna do is fold in our pasta. Yep, your pasta should be cooked right now, ready to go. And we're gonna get this mixed in real well. Don't turn our heat off. Guys, this looks amazing. All right, so let's head over to our cut board so we can get it plated up. And the last thing we're gonna do, you know we gotta do it. We're gonna sprinkle that green stuff over it. Some of that Incredible Hulk, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna make this dish official. And there you have it, chicken pot pie pasta skillet. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Listen, this baby looks and smells so good, and we're gonna bring it to the front of the cutting gauge. Guys, take a look at that. Whoo, woo-wee, man. Let's go ahead and do a quick quality control. Oh man, all the chicken, all the pasta, the mixed vegetables. Let's go ahead and make it happen. Oh man. If you're a favorite of them chicken pot pies like me, and I told y'all I think once before, we used to go to the grocery store back in the day, be 4 for $1. You stack up on them chicken pot pies. And listen, we know that was a long time ago because ain't nothing like that 4 for $1, especially no meal like that. So guys, definitely put this on your list. You'll love it if you're a chicken pot pie fan like me. So until the end, y'all already know, all wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Man, this is some groceries here. Doggone it.